Hello and good evening. This is 24th May 2025. 5 p.m. on the clock, and you can see in the backdrop the dust is falling upon us. The dynamics of change, a walk through renewable energy and climate change. The earth, our cradle and home, threatened by the super ambitious to transform this Mother Earth into a concrete jungle, is a thought so dire. For years, fossil fuels have been the lifeblood of human progress. The clock ticks on, things are changing vertically and alarmingly. We used to generate energy through geothermal projects, and hydroelectric power was the main supply of energy. But industrial waste is a huge menace in today's world. Are we really progressing? That's the question that everybody has to be conscious about. What are we doing towards the preservation of the environment and this existential crisis about climate change? Kashmir used to be famous for its water ecosystems, rivers, lakes, and its beautiful weather. But things have changed, and changed so rapidly, especially in the last decade or so. This is a small contribution to raise awareness regarding climate change crisis. I'm your host, Tufal Rigu, signing off. Thank you and bye-bye.